Alright everybody, it's been a while since I did a video. Thought I'd do a little tour here. We got lots of babies. And here's our garden. We have lots of tomatoes. Some other things. We got wasabi arugula. Right here, that's my new little plant this year. It tastes like exactly like wasabi. Yeah. Tomatoes coming through. These ones here, I think it was just called lumpy tomato. Them are going to be interesting. These are our youngest quail. I forgot the actual name of them, but they have the gene in them that makes them lay blue eggs, and they're 21-ish weeks old right now, or days old right now, about 3 weeks. Here's some of my older ones. We have some pharaohs right there. Some English whites. Look at that. Italians. Tuxedos. Here's some baby bunnies. This is actually 2 litters. She's the mom to the lighter colored ones that are smaller. She's about a week behind. I've been throwing greens in there, hoping they'll eat them. And the other mama must be outside. This mama here though, she's pretty protective. She's always like, "What are you doing?" See if we can find the other mom for you. Oh, there she is. She's the mom of the 5 bigger ones in there. They're darker. She's been a good mom. Pretty new to us. The chickens have learned how to fly over this little fence, and I got an overhead, I don't know if you can see it, wire here, but this, I don't have nothing really blocking this, and this is part of the rotational pasture experiment I did, and it really kind of failed. I don't have enough pasture really. And then when the chickens learn how to jump across, they keep going back and forth, so they're just disturbing it all up. I put this down here, and it is helping, keeping some stuff growing under here, kind of protecting it. But that's not really enough. That's like a day's worth of little treats for them, I guess, really. And it'll take weeks to grow. I have another nest in there, baby bunnies. She dug a hole. It goes almost to my shoulder. It's a really deep hole. And that mom has been a proven mom. That's the first time she's ever done it that way. She's always usually had it into the nesting box inside the chicken coop. And she'd cover it up with dirt, and I was kind of worried about it, and I kind of let it sit a couple days, and I dug it out myself to make sure that they all felt good. Oh, there's one right there. And so she'd cover it up with dirt and block it off, and then whenever she fed them, she'd just dig it out and then feed them, and then she'd go back in there and cover it up again. So we have There's 5 of these. And there's 2 of them that colored. And then, oh, there's another one. There's 2 white ones. And then another one kind of gray colored. And that one got out earlier today, so it's running around loose. I figured out where it got out. I got that taken care of. My dog being goofy. Foul! So it's running around loose. I gotta try to find it. I got a live trap out there. It should be fine. It can live on its own right now, as long as the predator don't get it. I've been throwing greens and stuff here and there in them. This is where they go. This is, the rabbits can go underneath this, but the chickens don't. And it worked good to keep them separated up until the chickens learned they can fly over this fencing. It's okay, Belle. Hold on. This here is my little pigeon setup. And the pigeons they've flown off, but I've had them like a month maybe, and shortly after they were here, they laid eggs. So I let them, just open them up. You're supposed to let them stay here for a little bit so they learn where home is, so they don't like fly away. And I don't know where they are right now, but I have the chicks in here. They're about, oh, maybe 3 weeks old, something like that. I've been trying to handle these a lot, I want to get them really friendly. But the mom and dad, they just fly away and they'll come back, feed their babies. They're pretty fun. These are, you can eat pigeons or squabs, which is baby pigeons. But I'm not doing that. These are just pets. See, there's a chicken that flew over the fence. She's not supposed to be over here. And they've been roosting on the fence at night too, instead of going in the coop. I haven't really had any predator issues or even signs of anything around. The dog did get a rat today. That's the first time I've ever had a rat around here. This is Buddy. I have him in my little chicken tractor. And pretty sure he's sterile. But I've been having him in here. I haven't fed him probably in 3 weeks. He's just living off greens. Same with my other one over here. I just move it around daily. This one you have to do it daily because it's smaller. I haven't fed him in like 3 weeks also. And you can see where he's been. This is my original breeding buck. He's been a good boy. And then, same thing with him. I've been moving him around. You can tell where he's been. And I did throw a cucumber in there from the garden. And I did feed him a little bit once, but other than that, I filled the feeder like half full or something about a week ago. Other than that, he's been just, and that cucumber, he's been living off the greens too. Oh, my pigeons are here. There's the mama pigeon. And there's the daddy. Hey, pigeons. I just call them Mr. Pigeon and Mrs. Pigeon. So I don't know what these were when I got them, but from researching, I think she is a Chinese owl pigeon. And she might have some wild mixed with her. They probably both are a little mixed. And then he is a Lahore, I think. Lahore. He's got the fuzzy feet. And then see her like chest feathers are inverted and her neck feathers they go up instead of go down. So they're kind of fun pets. I've been enjoying them. My fiance has these rabbits out here. That one there is a Velveteen Lop, and that's the Velveteen Lop dad, Buck. And she has some babies in here. I don't know if I can see them. I'll open the door here in just a second. And these are super friendly. We had these running around the house. And they're so soft. There's their babies just sitting there chilling, doing baby bunny stuff. She has something wrong with her eye. I don't know if it's like cataracts or what. These are pat bunnies. Super friendly though. I have some baby chicks in the house. I'll throw that here at the end. Right now. Here we have some baby chickens hatching. Not really due till tomorrow. And about sums it up.